Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to equip sprays in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's say we will choose a brawler from here just to show you for example. So let's say I'm going to choose Edgar here, and now to equip spray you need to click on this middle button here. You can click on this one, but there is no direct option for sprays here, so you need to click on this one. And as you can see, you can also change the pins from here, but right now we want to equip sprays, so click on sprays. And as you can see, there are a huge number of sprays that are available here. So if you don't have gems, you can just simply buy it, and then hopefully you will be able to equip sprays. Now let's say I want to use this spray here, and on the slot 2 you can change the spray. So there are different slots here. So let's say for this one I will choose this spray. So that's how you can equip sprays in Brawl Stars. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.